Hello friends, welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn the formation of passive sentences. Here we have the positive and negative formula, and the first tense is simple present tense. The positive formula is object plus MSR plus verb 3, and verb 3 stands for the past participle form of the verb. Negative formula object plus MSR plus not plus verb 3. So the formulas are not much difficult and they are easier than the active sentences because there is no subject according to the definition of passive sentences. So those who want to start learning or want to refer active tenses, they can start learning from lecture number 12 in our playlist. So guys, let's move ahead, and before we move ahead I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any important update and I also get support. Those who are new to our channel, I would also request them to start learning from the very first lecture in our playlist section so that it is really very effective for you to learn English skills. So here we have practice sentences of passive, and the first sentence, it starts with object, and in this example we is the object. So we are taught good on the Leo English Hub, we are not taught good on some other channels. Second example, I am shown, I is object is the first object and my mistakes is second object. So let's identify both objects as well. I am shown my mistakes, I am not shown my mistakes. So don't skip our video today. We are going to give in total 10 sentences and they are cohesive and correlated between each other. People are pleased by giving good knowledge. People is an object and they are pleased by giving good knowledge and not pleased by cheating them. Sometimes people get pleased even they are cheated, but on our channel it is not so. People are pleased by giving good knowledge. It may take some time, it may take your involvement, but it would help you a lot in improving your English communication for sure. Fourth example, English sentences are spoken after thinking. So English sentences, that is our object, and therefore English sentences are spoken after thinking. English sentences are not spoken after thinking. Sometimes it happens that some people have good practice and they don't think at all while speaking or before speaking. Fifth, new words are prepared while studying here. New words are not forgotten, and new words, that is object, while studying here. Sixth sentence, English is taught in 3 languages here on our channel. English is not taught in 4 languages. So English is our object in this sentence. So identifying object, friends, is really very vital and important in passive sentences, and there are many instances where we use passives as well. So 7th sentence, every day a new lecture is uploaded on this channel. Every day is a time, it indicates time. We can write it in the beginning of the sentence using comma, or otherwise as usual you can use them at the end of the sentence. So but the real sentence starts with a new lecture, that is our object. So a new lecture is our object. A new lecture is uploaded on this channel every day. A new lecture is not uploaded once in a week. So it could be in various languages, in different languages, but every day a new lecture is uploaded on our channel. Next example, the learners are given new information in all lectures. The learners are not given false information ever. So the learners are our object and new information is second object. So the learners are given new information, and new information is written after the verb 3 past participle form of the verb. Each topic is explained well. So each topic is our object in this sentence and explained well in depth. Any topic is not ignored while explaining. The last example we have on our screen at the moment, the whole process is made easy with examples. The whole process is not made complex, right? So the whole process is our object in this sentence. So I hope guys these examples would guide you in correct manner, and you would also like our today's lecture. So don't forget to like our lecture and share it to your friends and family. Also subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any important update or lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture with more fruitful information. Until then, thank you very much for joining us today.